Choose your weapons. DeWalt, Sawzall, wood blade. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah. Woo. Oh my goodness. Aluminum. They're the caps, I believe. I'm not no engine guy. I take them apart. I don't build them or work on them. Whole bunch of car parts, springs, blah blah blah. There's 2 radiators in there, and these are aluminum. It's a motor. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I got a very little bit of metal thrown in here, a very little bit of house wire, and there's some aluminum wire down in there as well. I got a little metal table in the back from a junk removal job yesterday. This is like a wine thing hung up at this big house. It was pretty cool looking. Vines and grapes. Going to cut carpet out of the house, which I probably ain't getting on camera, but I'm gonna get a little bit more metal from there. There's a door, a lawnmower, some other stuff. So, and then I got a bunch of scrap in my storage unit. Let's get to work. Let's get to work. The wonderful Baltimore Beltway. Don't you love it? Back to the job. Let's get it. Okay, I tore all this carpet out. Pulled 1 million staples. Gotta get all this flooring, all this tile, and the sub stuff. And then there was a door in here yesterday, metal scrap. I'm gonna pull this before I leave. Out back here, I gotta throw some stuff away, like throw it in the dumpster. She told me to keep, there's a lawnmower right there. And all this is supposed to go in the dumpster as well. Anything that I can scrap like this. But yeah, get this guy out of here as well. This is gonna be part of the scrap mission probably tomorrow. I'm gonna get footage. I still got the stuff from last week's video in my storage unit as well. I haven't been scrapping real hard because of my vehicle situation that's still on hold. So I'm gonna throw this in there, probably take that door out, and then tear up some carpet, and I'll get more footage in this video later. Aluminum. Let's get to work. Sheesh, these tiles in this underlayment aren't gonna be fun, but we'll get it. Some aluminum and 6 million nails, guys. How you love that? Work. YouTube. Good morning. In 8 minutes, I'm going to pick up some metal and I believe a washer and dryer as well without a lift gate. We're going to make this load. I got some stuff in here already I got to move around, and then I got stuff in my storage unit I'm gonna load this thing to the roof and go down the scrapyard today. Let's go get some footage. Everything must go, y'all. Okay, I'm at the house now. I gotta move some of this stuff around to make it all fit good, but I'm going to, and I believe she said a washer and dryer as well. So let's get this crap moved around, guys. I just had to battle this out of her basement. I had to remove the door off of the basement in there. There's still a washer down there, but there's a back door that's kind of difficult to get to, but I don't want to try to flip this up her steps. It's a super tight squeeze, and there's all kind of like tables and furniture everywhere. But yeah, we got the dryer. Now I gotta go put her door back on her basement first, and then go see about just getting this washer out this back door, which is gonna be a tight squeeze. I'm also supposed to take some of this trash right here, and I gotta move all this around too. The basement's around there. I'll go get that in one month. Okay, there's the back door. Here's the steps. I just took the dryer up the stairwell, but I'm gonna take this washing machine that way because I don't want to risk scratching anything up here. I had to remove this door as well, but okay, this thing's going out there. It ain't super heavy, it's just a little bit large, like bulky. All right, let's get it. Okay, we're getting this washing machine out this tight basement. That's out of here. Woo. Oh my goodness. It's a super tight squeeze with a lot of steep steps. She wants all this as well. And then I showed you guys I gotta move all that stuff around to fit it in the truck, right? And then later I'm supposed to come back and get some automotive parts from this guy that I've been to his house multiple times. These doors are supposed to go. That tire, it's a lot. We're getting it though. We're working hard and we're getting it. Everything must go, guys. Everything must go. Woo! Okie dokie. We gotta navigate this bumpy backyard real fast. Shouldn't be that hard, I hope. There's mulch everywhere, so it might not be that easy. We just gotta fight it, guys. Two hours later. Wave high for the camera. Ready? Ooh. Alright. Dun dun dun. We did it. Now I gotta organize a bunch of stuff to make it all fit. It'll fit. It'll fit. Scrap Tetris. Scrap Tetris. Okay, I'll get more footage in a little bit. Okay, I got the washer and dryer and the stuff out of that basement. Here's like some side paneling, fencing. I'm gonna have to stomp all this together and then, but it'll fit. This is aluminum. I'm gonna load this up as well. A little bit of wrought iron. Okay, I got all this stuff loaded and tied up. I'm gonna go take this glass to my storage unit and then load some more metal in here. And then we're going to the scrapyard. Slowly but surely, everything's in there, guys. Make sure nothing can fall out on the ride. Okie dokie, let's go. Dun dun dun, we have arrived, YouTube. Gotta pull some trash off, like these doors. These are aluminum. This is aluminum, this old door, but the outside piece is steel. Probably take this off. Might pull all this aluminum off of this glass. Here's a tire that has a rim on it. I could probably cut that off, even though it's such a headache. I did that the other day. These are going. These from the other day I had. This is a ramp. I showed this on my last video as well. Bunch of little crap. Remember the drills? A little bit of brass, and I gotta cut pieces off of this somehow. Got a little computer. I'm gonna pile what I can in here. Obviously I don't have tons of room, but I'm gonna get to work and make some of this happen. YouTube. I was surprised it was just 4 Phillips screws. 6 actually, 2 little ones. And then this rubber going around the glass. But I'm taking the aluminum off of this, these 2 sliding doors. And then later I'll just have to take a pane of glass to the landfill. Everything must go. I'm packing everything I can in here, guys. This is gonna go in the tailgate last. Then I'm heading to the scrapyard. But I'm working with what I got. Let's make it happen. Beautiful day out, YouTube. It's a beautiful day. Okie dokie, guys. I got what I can on here. It's not a very big load, but it is what it is. I'm gonna run it down to the yard before it gets too late and see what we're working with. Let's get it. I'm leaving the rest of this in there. On to the scrapyard. Okie dokie, YouTube. Look alive, look alive. We're gonna go get weighed in. Throw this little bit of steel weight out, and then I got a very little bit of aluminum and maybe like some computers, but not much at all, non-ferrous. I might still go turn it in just to get it out of the bed, really, not for the money. It's gonna be worth like not much at all. There's the mountain of steel. We waiting in line. $62.80 YouTube. R. Haha. The Yankee Candle. Let's go throw this out, guys. That's not mine. That ain't my shopping cart. None of them are my shopping carts. See, everybody brings shopping carts down here. There's a bunch over there in that pile as well. This is just a part of a computer, so I don't necessarily need it. But you can turn them in for non-ferrous, and I do have, I think two of them up in there that are going to be non-ferrous. There's one right there. I got a mountain to get out of here today, kinda. Old bent up pipe wrench. I gotta save the aluminum. Yeah. There's all kind of grinders in here. You name it. This is the one I wanted right here. The wall. An old grill. Very old. That's aluminum. Come on, lawnmower. Pretty heavy washing machine. There's that what I say, a robot steak, vampire steak. That thing was heavy as crap. Old car jacks. Some chisels. Can you see that? Piece of pipe. Another car jack. I'm gonna throw all this out and then get more footage when I'm done. The club, throw a lot of those out. All right, almost done, guys. Look at the size of that, guys. Eesh. Piece of a forklift. Huge. 5440. Got like 800 pounds or less. I'm gonna get my ticket and go get rid of this little bit of aluminum, and then that'll be it. We'll see what tail of the tape time. Real quick, that was 840 pounds, guys. It was 7, hopefully it's at 8. It jumped up to 8 and went back down, so we'll go see right now. 840 pounds at 8 cents is 64 and 32, like $67.20, I believe. Plus this little bit of aluminum, we're looking at $9 million, roughly. Okay, let's go get cashed in real fast. Say hi to the non-ferrous dudes for the first time in like a week. I haven't been scrapping that much. Oh my gosh, there's a line. No. Ha. All right, guys, I'm gonna wait a little bit and then get footage when I'm finished. Non-ferrous land, non-ferrous land, non-ferrous. Okie dokie, YouTube. 840 pounds at 8 cents. What did I say? $67.20, I believe. At least it wasn't 7. So that is something positive. The non-ferrous wasn't that impressive, but Just them little laptops that were broken was $11, $8 for the old sheet aluminum, $11 for siding, $10 for extrusions. Everything else was like $2 or less for a grand total of $51.22. And we got 1, 10, 15, 16, 17. Not bad. It was a lot of work for not a lot of reward, but I'm not complaining. I'm very happy that I'm out here scrapping, and more to come. I'm on my way right now to pick up some auto supplies from this guy that I always get it from. Jamaican guy in Baltimore City area off of Harford Road. I will be there in roughly 20 minutes or so, and I'll get footage when I get there. On to the next one, YouTube. Okay guys, I'm arriving at this metal pickup at the bottom of this alley. It's a real tight squeeze in here usually. My first real big video with over a ton of steel was this house. I say that every time I come here now, but yeah, right there. That big brown shed with the doors open. It's that house. He usually has a bunch of stuff under his steps. I'm gonna see what he's got. There's a wheelbarrow and a whole bunch of car parts, springs, blah blah blah. There's 2 radiators in there, and these are aluminum. It's a motor, the frame of a motor. It's probably a pretty heavy little chunk of aluminum. Muffler, whole bunch of engine pieces. Whole bunch of engine pieces. Taking all the... I just left picking up all those auto parts. He gave me the metal wheelbarrow as well. On to the next one. Got a little bit of weight started. Mr. Scrapyard. He's always finding all kinds of stuff in these nice neighborhoods, and he resells a lot of it. Plus he's got a real cool intro.
5 years.
Check out his channel, guys. Royal Scrapping. YouTube, it is the following morning. I gotta empty this bed out. I don't know if I showed you guys these big old springs yesterday. 2 aluminum radiators. Gotta empty this bed out. I'm going to do a junk removal job so the metal can't be here. Keep this thick aluminum engine part. But yeah, basically I got a whole bunch of crap to do today, and after I'm done the junk removal job, if I have time, I'm gonna come back here and get some more of this stuff to get out of here. These big heavy glass doors from yesterday. I was telling Cisco on the phone yesterday, there's 1, 2, 3 window units and a dehumidifier that I still need to take time and break down when I get free time. But yeah, this guy's super old. I got a new one of these as well. Let's see here. I think this is stainless steel tubing. It might be aluminum, but I think it's stainless. He threw a couple of these in there right before I left yesterday as well. This might be one of them Cadillac converter things, I'm not sure, but yeah, it looks like it. But yeah, the yards don't take them unless you got a dealer's license around here, because so many people like to take stuff that's not theirs. Don't take stuff that's not yours, people. chunks of aluminum. Breakage, I believe. Cast. Not breakage, cast. It's cast, right? Alright, I'm gonna empty this bed and then probably not show the junk removal work. I'm cleaning out a garage down by Baltimore City. Maybe I'll get a little footage at the landfill or something good like that. Cut these off. I got stuff everywhere. Junk collectors. Anonymous. These feel like aluminum. Yes, sir. Aluminum. They're the caps, I believe. I'm not no engine guy. I take them apart. I don't build them or work on them. It's a beautiful day, YouTube. Beautiful day to do some junk removal. Real fast. These 2 bags did not come from the load. I just went to Towson area, roughly Lock Raven in Baltimore County, and cleaned out a garage for a guy. There's all kind of like old yard tools. Not a lot of tools. Tiki torches, like fertilizer, crap like that. Pool noodles, concrete, blah blah blah. I cleaned out a garage for a guy, and I'm taking this to the landfill now, and then I'm at my sister's getting some like mulch and yard trimmings for her. I'm gonna pile in here before I leave. I gotta cut 2 bushes to the ground that are over here up against the fence. We are in Middle River, Maryland, but I'm hustling and working and working and hustling. So I gotta chop these 2 bushes out, load this up, and then head out. And I'll get footage maybe when I get to the landfill real quick. Even though this is mostly a scrapping video, there is a little bit of metal in here, them chairs, a little bit of stuff, a table, but not much. Stand by. Dun, dun, dun. Choose your weapons. DeWalt, Sawzall, wood blade. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, let's go chop some bushes, guys. Beautiful little flower display. I like that. It looks very nice, sweetheart. This guy's got to go. It's got a bunch of this on there. Strong dislike for this particular leaf right here, if all y'all know what that is. And then this guy's going out of here as well. This doesn't have any. This is English ivy. This is not strong dislike ivy. I'll throw all this in there for her. I was just telling my sister when we were little, we didn't know what this was. So we would play with it in, yeah, the one with them hairy, see them hairy roots and vines? We would play in the English, or avoid the English ivy, thinking that was poison. We didn't know nothing about this, and it used to be all over us every single year. Like every year. Maybe I can just cut the whole bottom and avoid it. But yeah, this is going, and then this little bush has thorns all over it. So that looks like fun. Okay, let's get this up out of here, guys. One, got this small one and that one still. We are now arriving at the fill of land, White Marsh, Maryland, Dave's Cove, Seagull World, home of the bald eagles. Let's go empty this bed real quick. Okay guys, I didn't record throwing everything out, but I saved a few chairs, a small grill, and a couple little other kinds of metal for scrap. And that's it for my day, I believe. I got an estimate to go do, but I'm not gonna put that on camera. Might be mulching all day tomorrow. Everything must go, YouTube. Thank you guys for watching. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, step right up with me as we go on a mission to pick up a refrigerator from a second floor apartment and load it on this non-liftgate truck that has a lifted wheel wells and all that good stuff. Easy day. It's like 6:30 p.m. I believe. I just had to go do a mulch estimate. Gigantic mulch estimate. Humongous. I've been here plenty of times in my videos. You guys probably seen them. Oops. Supposed to be up there in the second floor middle storage room. And there we have a refrigerator with hopefully no food in it. I really doubt it. I'm gonna strap it on here and take it. One moment. Okay, I got this strapped up nice and good. Gotta navigate down these steps, kinda. Sheesh. Okay, I got it from up there. Let's get this to the truck. Wave high for the camera. Everything must go, YouTube. Yeah, we did it. Secured it. It's nowhere near as easy without a lift gate. Takes like an extra 20 minutes. We got it though. All right, let's go home finally for the day. It's late. It's like 6:45 p.m. I bet. Somewhere around there, maybe even after that. Smile for the camera. Grinding. Sheesh.